Hey guys, I gotta be quiet with this video today, but I just wanted to demonstrate the search engine I've been talking about on the forums. Now, it is very early in development, but I believe that does have a lot of potential. Now, everything that you see is running off this USB stick right here. It's um, it's USB 2.0. USB port, but the drive itself is USB 3. So you're gonna see USB 2.0 speeds with that. So that's kind of, I wanted to say that because the speed. Uh, I wanted to keep in mind that that it's not coming off the hard drive. The speed is coming off a USB stick. So what you see now is the source code of all this. You're gonna see this when I get over here. The reason why I'm on my phone is because we're gonna use that computer over there too, and this is on Wi-Fi. So I just wanna point that out. So let's begin. So we're gonna go over here, and this is the control panel for everything. You got no IP, logs, turn it on, shut it off, and access the script. This is the script. So we're gonna turn this on. Alright. Let's get started over here. Open our terminal. And this is the local. Now the server GUI will look like this because this is a template that we use to do this. Type in your IP address, your host name. Oh. In the folder. Connect. And it's going to ask us for the password. I don't know why it asks for this one, but put that one in. I don't know what that was for. I don't know why it asked me that again. Alright, now it's gonna show us the GUI. Okay, now this is run off the server, so we don't need this one. Alright. This is your server you can connect to. That one doesn't work now. But this one, if you go over here, we'll do one. So what do you want to search for? It's Mega Man. Now notice how I spelled that, capital M, lowercase m right here. Press enter. And that's just the error. Some PDFs do that. So I don't know why that does it like that. But here you go. Now that did come off USB. And you see these numbers right here? The numbers on the side right here? These tell you where on the page they were located. Like, well, what page they were located in the file. Like for example, on this file it was page 1. They're all the same file, but page 1, page 2, page 5, page 8, so on and so forth. So I went through, how many pages is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pages in 2 seconds. And that's possible because the images, you couldn't get that speed with text because the images, how it works is, when you look for patterns, it looks page by page and not line by line. So let's say you have 200 words on a single page. Well, that's only gonna be done as one thing. It's not gonna go through line by line like a text search will do. It just goes by the page. And now I want to show you something else. If we go over here, Maybe I'm going to show it's stored over here. Let me show you where this is. Personal PDF. Here's all PDF files. We can open them. You know, stuff like this. And this is run off the server. It isn't stored locally. All of that. See how fast that loads? Let's do some Zelda. Now this one is a little bit bigger. But there it is. In all its PDF glory. Now I'm going to show you a little trick. Now if we go over here and shut it down, you might be thinking, well, you're going to crash the thing or it's not going to work anymore. Well, actually, there's nothing that you can do that will make this shut off. Look, for example, I can refresh this as many times as I want. It's not going to go away. That's because it's stored locally in RAM at the moment. So, you know, you can... Some of these won't work. I think it's because... Yeah, that one's bigger than the rest. But if you do one like this... It should work, maybe. Yeah, there it is. It stores it in RAM. It's waiting or something. Usually these small ones you can really play with. See, like this one. You can also click on the links as well, and it will open up the your web browser. That was unexpected. Skype now, I like to Skype. I don't know, maybe it's this version of Chromium because it used to work. Not on this computer, but on another one. I think just Chromium. Oh well. But you know, you can go back. You know, and read it. You know. I like this Mega Man one. That's my favorite one. Nice font, nice size. Looks really great. It's all there. The only time it will actually turn off is if you click this X right here. But still. If you search for it, it's gonna go there. Alright, so what do we want to search for? Let's do the. There it goes. No, it isn't searching online. And I can prove it too. Go over here. Go into a log file. This updates constantly every few seconds. I think I might have broke that. Hang on. Just turn it back on. And it's going to wait ever so patiently because when I turn it back on, all that stuff is going to work again. You see, it's still searching. See if the log's gone back. No journal files were found. I might have to restore it. But yeah, it will instantly tell you on the logs who logs in, whenever you shut off the server or whenever you turn the server back on. So let's go back over here. Let's try to run that file again. This is that first file that I tried to load. It is 68 megabytes. Guess not. Let's try another one. That one usually gives me problems anyways. Oh, what was that other one I had? I think all of these other ones worked. But anyways, I just want to show off that. But yeah, you got, right now, I got 183 megabytes, 64 items. And it's still searching, it's still going. Still going. Let's see where it is. Oh, it's not even close to done yet, but it's keep looking for the in all those files. Got Google Maps. Maybe I'm not connected over there. Oh, I guess I am. Well, not, I can't really tell. Anyways, you get the idea. It is early, but I do think it has a lot of potential to do that. So I just wanted to show that off. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to help me build this, feel free to post a reply or really whatever you want to do. I guess it was done. Hang on, let me try something here. Oh yeah, it only does that because the okay, now it finished. Yeah, I can tell that it finished because the thing, this becomes usable. Yeah. Well, I thought it kept crashing it. I was wondering what was wrong with it before. See, it knows when it's over with, so yeah, I looked through all those 100 and how much did I say? 64 files in that quick. 183 megabytes. Pretty awesome. You know, Google can't do that. Let's try another search. Let's do A. It's gonna go crazy. There we go, searching. There's your page numbers. Going that fast through page numbers. That is real speed too. Okay, I think it finished. Yeah, it finished. That's faster than I thought it would be. And that's coming out that little USB stick over there. That's not coming out the hard drive, but that USB stick over there. See, I don't know why it's doing that on some of them. But see, here it goes. Found all of the words. Let's do... Oops. That ain't gonna work. It really doesn't matter if you do lowercase or lowercase in this case. I do control that though. I didn't find one. Let's do 50 or 5,000. Let's do 5,000. I do not know what just happened there, but I guess I could call this as a new video, but I wanted to show you this. I might edit this, maybe. See if I go over here. Let's say that source code that runs through all that. Let's do Control S. Let's get back over here. And look what's gonna happen this time. I gotta close this. Find my other one. There we go. Reconnect. What do you do? See what I did there, guys? I allowed the use for the files to be showed up, and in these files, these numbers, that's the page number of this file. So, and you see there's only one PDF file that has all this, and it's coming off that server. Alright guys, that's really all I wanted to show y'all. I don't know when I'll make a video next, but if you like this video, you can leave a comment. If you have a suggestion, leave a suggestion. If you want to join the project, feel free to contact me, or talk on the phone, or put up something on this YouTube video.